I'ma keep going. I'ma keep going. Ooh, child, these look like little antennas on my head. What's up, Candi Crew?
How you doing? How you doing? How you doing?
Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Candace, and today we're going to do a recreation of a hairstyle. So I was scrolling through Instagram on my explore page, and I saw a picture of Happycurlhappygirl. I think that's it. It's either Happycurlhappygirl or Happy Curl. One of them. But anyway, I saw her picture scrolling through my explore page of this really cute hairstyle that she did. I was like, oh, that style looks so cute and simple and easy. So I was like, I hope she recorded a video for it. So I went to her YouTube channel, and it wasn't a video up for it the day that she posted the picture. But a couple days later, she uploaded the video, and I was like, girl, yes. So now I can try to recreate this look. Because, I don't know, to me it just looks so cute and it's so simple. I hope I can do it, because child, first of all, it's the simple thing, but she have like 2 braids right here, and I can't braid, like I can't cornrow. I was thinking maybe I can do some twists, but we'll see. But anyway, let me go ahead and try to see if I can do the same thing, girl, because hers was cute. Hers was real cute. So I was watching her video. I have her video up on my iPad, and she used I'm about to say Lustrous Pink, not Lustrous Pink. She used Afro Sheen. She used Afro Sheen hair products, and I don't have Afro Sheen's whole line, so I'm just going to use Trey Luxe because that's what I used last time, and it's still on my counter. So I'm just going to go ahead and use Trey Luxe products, but I think it's still going to come out cute, you know. It's still going to be cute. So yeah, so let me see what she's talking about.
Sheen products. It's not sponsored. Just want to use them. I love this stuff. Sheen's line. The consistency is great, and I use this either before.
Okay, so it looks like the first thing she does is just parts her hair in the front to get like the little front section, the front design out the way. And then the rest of her hair, she's just doing like her regular wash and go routine, which it looks like she's shingling, and she's like shingling. She's not doing like me, because y'all, I've been lazy lately, like with the shingling. I don't really even shingle anymore. What I do is either when I do shingle, I shingle in big chunks, which defeats the purpose of shingling, or I rate the product through my hair in like medium to big sections, and then I just twirl the ends, because I don't know, I've been getting lazy, especially now that my hair is longer and all that stuff. Like, shingling took a long time when my hair was short. I've been getting lazy with my shingling, and I grab bigger sections than what I should, but I'm gonna do right. So let me go ahead and take this off. Oh, honey. Ooh, woo. Child, I don't know what I'm up here looking like, but it ain't good. It ain't good. Let me unbraid these 2 braids. Who I look like, y'all? Who I look like? Can I borrow your microwave? But low-key, I feel like we done ran that joke in the ground, honey. Every time we see a natural or anybody in some little raggedy place, we automatically think of Felicia. Poor Felicia. But I'm not gonna look like Felicia when this video over though. At least I hope not. Anyway, so I just took my front 2 braids down, you know, so that I can section off my front part. Yo, it got darker once I took down my hair. I guess it's because all of this black. Let me just section off the front part. Is that even? Which is, if it ain't, that's as even as it's gonna get tonight, honey. I ain't saying it ain't that important. Alright, let me go ahead and get this off my head. Alright, so I got the first section out the way like she said, because you know we're gonna do that design later. So for the rest of her hair, she's just doing her, you know, regular wash and go routine, I guess. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this back up in a bun. I'm gonna put it in a bun to get it out the way, because I want to start with the back of my hair first. So you know, the last time I did my hair with Trey Luxe or whatever, it was too defined for me. It was so defined that it was like flat to my head, and I want like the look I'm going for is like how her hair is still big or whatever. It's defined but big. That's what I'm trying to do. But so I'm not going to go as heavy with the products, because I went heavy last time. So I'm not going to go heavy with you know, the products I apply, and hopefully I can get that defined but curly look, because that's the look I was going for last time, but I think I had too much product on my hair, and you know, it just didn't work out for me. So again, I'm doing the same thing. I'm gonna use the Curl Supreme 4-in-1 Hydrating Creme, and then after that I'm going to use the High Definition Curl Enhancer Styling Gel. So I'm just gonna do a little bit, you know, like I'm doing like a little bit. I'm not trying to go ham like I did last time. And then I'm just gonna get a little bit of styling gel, like a little bit. I'm just doing like 2 fingers, child, 2 fingers. That's all they getting out of me today is 2 fingers. Brush it through, and now I'm gonna really shingle, y'all. I'm not gonna be lazy. Like these the type of strands I'm about to pull out. Look how, child, look how small that is. I'm gonna be up here shingling. I'm gonna be shingling for a good little minute. But that's what I'm gonna do, because that's what she did, you know. One thing I can do is follow instructions, so I'm gonna do what she did, you know. All right, y'all, so that is one section down. You know, it's looking like hers. You know, hers wasn't, when she was doing it or whatever, she wasn't trying to make sure it was perfectly defined. It wasn't like super defined curls. It wasn't like frizz free. Like you could see she still had like a little bit of frizz or whatever, but there was also curls. So that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm going for. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this part out the way, because I mean this part is just whatever your wash and go routine is, just do that. Y'all, I'm hoping this come out right. I'm hoping this give me the big curls that I want. So yeah, I'm gonna try to find me something to watch on TV while I do the rest of my hair, and then we're gonna come back and try to do the front, which is the actual style. You know, this is the actual style where we need to concentrate. So I'll be back.
I'm just sick of being curious. Don't you wanna know about me? Don't you wanna know about me? Thinking about you all damn day. There's so much I want to say to you. Being curious. Don't you wanna know about me? Don't you wanna know? Sick of being curious. Best believe I'd find a way to get you here, so won't you stay? Aren't you sick of being
Okay, y'all, so now I am done with my hair. This is what I was going for the first time. Like, you see how it's big but it's defined? This is what I was trying to go for last time. It was my fault. It was my fault. I was too heavy-handed with my products, and it was the technique I was doing, because this time I shingled, but last time I was like raking through in big sections, which was making my hair flat, and it was giving me more waves than curls. So yeah, this is what I'm looking for, honey. Yes, this right here is what I was looking for. I wanted volume, honey, volume. Okay, but anyway, so now I gotta go on to the next part. So I'm gonna try to clip some of this back, get it out the way so that I can do with my other clip at, child. So now let me see what's next.
Further no, because it was. Okay, so there's a little cute transition. Hello, how you doing? Now, let's get to the fun part. Okay. What I did was I created like a middle portion, and I kind of used like the corners of my eyes to give me like a guide. But
okay, so first, all right, so now she says she's creating a middle portion in her head, like her front section, whatever it's called. And she says she's using like her eyebrows to, you know, draw the part. So I'm just gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna, you know, do from the arch of my eyebrow, I guess. Maybe not. I think that's too wide. Okay, scratch that. That's too wide. Maybe, I don't know what she said she used something with her eyebrow. I don't know. I ain't gonna worry about the eyebrow no more. I'm just gonna do a middle section. because it didn't look like she had a big square, but I didn't need to make this even. Okay, let me bring it over a little bit more on this side. Okay, so I guess that's good. I think mine's look bigger than hers though. I don't know. Let me see.
listen, I did this according to my head shape. So do however many braids you want to do. I just wanted only 2. But yeah, I think it would look cute with multiple braids.
I don't know. This is good enough. So this is my middle section. So let me get this out the way. Alright, so next she did a middle part and then she just put 1 braid on this side and 1 braid on this side. But like I told y'all before, y'all, your girl don't know how to braid, but today is the day she gonna try. today is the day. So for the braids, I'm not going to use the gel. I'm just going to use the hydrating cream because I mean, what I need gel for, it's going to be in braid. So I'm just going to apply that to my hair. Alright, so next I'm going to take the Luster's Pink Smooth and Hold Edge Gel. And this is what it looks like, you know, just some edge control. But it's a good edge control. I guess it's good enough. And then I'm just going to put that right here. Alright, y'all. So, oh, child, I'm about to try to do a cornrow. Oh, child. The Lord knows I do not know how to braid. He knows it. If it don't work out, I'll just do a twist. You know what? I ain't gonna be able to do it this way. Let me try to hold my hand this way. I can't do it that other way. For all the people who do know how to braid, don't laugh at me, y'all. I'm trying. Oh, now my arm hurt, child. My arm hurt already. Lord, this about to be a twist. Yeah, this ain't gonna work. This about to be a twist, cause child, I can't get my hands together. This gonna be a flat twist. Alright, y'all, so I ended up doing something. I ain't gonna call it a braid. I ain't gonna call it a braid, but it's something, y'all. What is this on my hand? What is it? What is it? Child, I don't know what. I don't know what it is. If it's gonna work today, it's gonna have to be good enough today. Oh, child. I know I'm wrong for that. Well, whatever that was, I'm about to do the same thing to the little other sections. You know, everybody got talents. Everybody got skills. Braiding ain't one for me. Oh, I should have left some of my edges out. There we go. It's alright. I ain't like I was just gripping it so tight that I can't pull it back out. Because Lord knows I ain't had no grip on it. And then try to make my arm hurt. Like, oh my goodness. I need to do some arm exercises or something. Because my arm hurt just in that little bit of time. I was over it, honey. Over it. Where am I comb at? Alright, y'all. Let me try to do this again. Alright, y'all. So I got my two little, whatever these is. I ain't gonna call them a braid. But whatever it is, I got them. Because what she did, y'all, later is that she crisscrossed them like that. But, ooh, child. I'm gonna have to get a bobby pin or something. But yeah, she had crisscrossed them or whatever. I'ma keep going. Ooh, child, these look like little antennas on my head. Alright, now what's next? Y'all, I'm hungry, y'all. As soon as I'm done with this, I gotta go get me something to eat. I hope something gonna be open. Okay, so on the sides of her hair, she's doing what they call rubber band cornrows. And she could barely explain it. I can't explain it. The only reason I know what it is because I've already tried doing the rubber band cornrows years before. So if you watch her video and you don't quite understand what she's trying to say, just go on YouTube and search rubber band cornrows and it'll pop up what she's saying. But anyway, it kind of like gives you that, I guess, cornrow or French braid look without you having to have the skills to do it. Like, it kind of gives you that look because you're using rubber bands instead. So, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on my hair. Like I said, don't look to me for no explanation. Go Google. I mean, not Google, but YouTube rubber band cornrows if you want to see what they talking about, what she talking about. I need to figure out how many squares I could put. I'm guessing one. Probably just 3 squares because that's all the room I got on my head. So, okay, so now that I got one side, like I got all the parts or whatever, I'm realizing like I don't think I have enough squares because she had 4. So now that I got this side done, do y'all see the little, I tried. Y'all see the little, what you call it? Whatever they call, little rubber band cornrows, French braid cornrows, rubber band French braid, whatever. That's what I got. At least that's what I tried to do. Alright, so now that I got this side done, I'm just going to do the same thing to the other side.
The next day.
Alright, y'all, I'm back. It's the next day. This is how I went to sleep last night. I just put a scarf around the little braid part and then I just put the rest of my hair in a pineapple. So I'm gonna try to go ahead and take this down real quick because y'all, I got somewhere to be and I'm gonna be running late. Y'all, my hair looks good. Like, you see how big but defined my curls are? Like, this is the look I was going for last time, but I messed myself up. But this time, I got it right. I got it right, girl. Okay, but anyway, she had hers in a ponytail, and I want mine in a ponytail too. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to put it up. Oh, this will be cute too, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it up because I just like the way the ponytail looks. Okay, so this is just what it's gonna have to be because I don't know, my ponytails never look right with my natural hair. Like, it doesn't lay right, probably because I also need a haircut. Like, my hair is like all different lengths, it's not even, so I think that would makes it look weird in a ponytail too, but it is what it is. So something else she did is she had some of those gold hoops or whatever, like these little gold clasps, these gold rings. You see it right now? Focus on me, focus on this. Yeah, she had like these gold rings or whatever, and I had some. I mean, I didn't have many. I found 6 in the bottom of my drawer, some of them turning, but it's alright. And she just put them like, I think she put them like along here somewhere, like along that little rubber band cornrow, whatever. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I only got 6, so I'm gonna put 3 on each side. Okay, y'all, this is cute. Okay, y'all, this is cute. You know, something simple for the girls, you know. I feel like my ponytail needs some more length, but it's alright, it's alright. Because the way she did her ponytail, like her ponytail has some length or whatever, but I ain't got it. But it's alright, y'all, it's alright. What y'all think? What y'all think? And I love my hair. This is what I was going for. I'm gonna have to start going back to shingling because low-key I haven't been liking the way I've been doing my wash and goes lately. I just feel like it's too flat to my head. So yeah, I'm gonna have to go back to shingling again so I can get the definition but volume that I want, honey, you know. But yeah, you guys, that's all I got. I ain't got no more. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video if you care. And I will see you all next time. Bye.